Yeah, good day, guys. Permit me to use this medium, even though we're doing a formal petition to the appropriate authority, the Nigerian police, the IG of police, the AIG Zone 2, the Lagos State Police Command, and the Alagbon. But permit me to use this authority to draw the attention of the public, the general public, and then also the Nigerian police that will see this video, members of the Nigerian police, to the activities that the menace of some hoodlums and some miscreants, even though they are elderly people, but they are miscreants, misrepresenting the police. They drive in tinted Highlander and some other vehicles, claiming to be police, no ID card, nothing, but in police vest. Some of them, one of them will say he's EFCC, the others will be police. 4 in numbers. They look out for, young guys who are driving, flashy cars, and then they just flag them, claiming to be police, and then they accuse you of being a Yahoo, because now we say everybody who is every young man who is driving an expensive car is a Yahoo. They accuse them, and then one of them will drive your car behind the victim's car behind, while others will they would arrest the victim, handcuff him behind the seat, and then put him in their own vehicle tinted and drive that victim around the whole of Lagos. It happened to a client of mine. Drove the guy around Lagos for 6 hours. They didn't enter any police station. They didn't go. They will go to a police station. They said, "We'll take you in now." Okay, take me in. Where? They would, at the end of the day, collected his phone, searched the phone. This guy had 2.5 million naira in their card. They forced him at gunpoint to call a bureau de change, his own bureau de change, who they transferred the money to, transferred the money to the bureau de change, and the bureau de change will now transfer the dollar to their own contact. Fleeced this guy of his entire money, left 10,000 naira from him, and eventually dropped him around Obalende. These are some of the things that led to the EndSARS crisis. I know you have a lot of police also who just hang around banks looking for young boys who are going to do banking transactions on Mondays. Also, the police should be aware of this and use this as an avenue to nip all of these activities in the bud, because if care is not taken, all these people are painting the police in bad light. We don't know if they are police, even though some policemen have said some of these persons are from Alagbon and claim to be on patrol. But I don't know how true that is. But I want to use this media to draw the Nigerian police attention to it, that there are people who are kidnapping young people and fleecing them of their money, compelling them at gunpoint with handcuffs to transfer monies to a unknown account. And so I will call on the police, if you see these videos, please share or to get to the authority, even though we're doing a detailed petition also to the Nigerian police reporting these activities. Thank you. And if you've been a victim also, please don't hesitate to draw the attention of the authority to this. And because I know a lot of young people have been victims. And then lastly, when you see these people, once they flag you, they will chase you, flag you around traffic lights. Please try and raise alarm so that people will be aware. These are not police. Even if they are police, that is not the duty, the constitutional responsibility of the Nigerian police. Thank you.